Yo, Michael!
Dude, what's up, man?
Oh, his camera's out.
Of course.
What are you
Always
doing?
working.
What are you doing now?
I got another e-bike here.
Have I seen this one?
Yeah, super strong.
Powerful?
All fully electric, nice powerful motor, 4-inch, 26-inch
It almost
fat
feels
tires.
like a bit of a motorcycle, like a scooter.
I mean, look at this paint job on this thing. They like really,
No, it is.
it's a beautiful bike. Big fat tires. The Zoom fork, that's a nice shock on the front
Have you
there.
kicked the tires yet?
Kicker,
When
so.
you go and buy a car or a bike or anything, you gotta make sure you kick the tire.
It can handle a little abuse, and you tend to abuse things. You would put it to
Are
the
you gonna
test.
let me ride this one?
Yeah, I'll let you ride it.
Yeah, dude, shit, sick!
The HovAlpha came very well packaged. I was very impressed with the packaging, well protected and everything in its own compartment. My friend Joby and his son Seth were nice enough to come over and help me out with the build of it. There were quite a few components we had to attach to this bike. I was initially very impressed with how beefy this bike is. It is rock solid. Look at how well this is packaged. Just a great presentation, everything well protected. I also love the fact that the power adapter is brand specific. A lot of companies don't do that. So we started getting everything attached to the bike. The first step was the handlebars. You just got to take the screwdrivers and Allen wrenches that they have included in the packaging to get everything secure. Just assembling this bike, I was already set back on how beautifully made this bike is. I've reviewed a lot of e-bikes, and I gotta say, Hovsco has really impressed me with their build quality. We put the front tire on, which is a piece of cake, and then proceeded to put the kickstand on, which is of course optional. If you want the kickstand, put it on. I like having kickstands, just keeps everything nice and tidy in my garage. And then put on the fenders. There's one for the front, one for the back. Battery's locked in place with a key, and it is a 960 watt-hour battery. And the hub motor on this thing is 750 watt. I'm also really interested to see how the torque sensoring does on this. Gave it a little bit of lube for that chain. We're just about ready to get this thing out on the road and ride.
Yeah, got a few in here.
Dude, you need a bike. Right?
Subscribe to ManShed and see which ones are coming up next. So turn it on first. Push and hold the power button.
Cool.
So this gives you the ability to lock it out completely. This locks it completely.
What do you mean?
So that it doesn't bounce.
And then you can
this is
degrade your amount of bounce?
Yeah, so this is your rebound, how much recoil you want. So I was saying the Zoom shock is actually a really good front shock.
Ah.
It fits your
Hey,
size.
Quicksilver, if you're watching this, please sponsor me. I love Quicksilver.
He says that, but I was the one originally liked Quicksilver.
No,
clear back
no,
from
no,
the
no,
Kauai,
no,
Hawaii
no,
days.
no,
I would only ever buy a Kauai,
That's
Hawaii
a bunch
shirt.
of bullshit. Do you know how much these bikes cost? Like if I was to buy one retail?
About $1,500, $1,800. That's your brakes.
I'll figure it out as I go.
Here's your throttle right here.
Throttle?
That's throttle. It's
Gears.
left-hand side.
Oh, cool. I'm left-handed. Made for lefties.
All the lefties comment below. Okay, here, right here. This is your pedal assist.
Right, that's my speed indicator.
It's how much power it gives when you pedal. All right, go give it a spin.
Whoa, look at that. Woo! That is a pedal boost. Pedal boost! Nearly fell off the bike on pedaling once. It's like slinging me forward. It's like a slingshot.
Slingshot engaged.
See how it handles this speed bump. Woo! Yeah! Dude, you should have been there.
Why? What did you do?
I got pretty sick air.
Like sick air?
At least a couple feet.
Couple feet. Wow. I gotta see that. Was the GoPro recording? Oh yeah,
Oh,
totally
crap.
recording.
Yeah! Woo!
In all seriousness though, this HovAlpha 26-inch electric fat tire bike really impressed me. Not just the 750 watt upgraded hub motor, but that torque censoring. When I was going up hills, I really felt it kick in, and it just did it automatically. It sensed that it was under a little bit more strain, and it kicked in at a higher torque level, giving me that extra boost that I needed. Now, straight out of the box, you're gonna get a class 2 20 miles per hour. But if you connect the mobile app, just download that to your phone and connect up the mobile app, then you'll be able to get the class 3 28 miles per hour top assist on the motor speed. So that's pretty cool. They do ship worldwide, and the reviews are off the chart as I'm reading them online. It does come with a 2-year warranty on the core components, and this company really stands behind their e-bikes. So huge shout out to Hovsco. Make sure you check the links in the description of this video to pick up your very own HovAlpha 26-inch electric fat tire e-bike and get it at the best price.
So, what are your thoughts?
It's nice. Handles bumps easy, turns well. There's a part of me that wanted to, like, you know how you get on like a dirt bike and you're like,
Yeah, skid it out, yeah.
No, it was great. I enjoyed it. Probably hear me because when I first pushed down on the pedal, it nearly knocked me back off the seat. But it was fun. You could, I mean, like where we were on the street and just tinkering around, you really can't put this thing to its full potential. You know, if you could get that out like on the wash or on the beach or just someplace that's a more rugged and let this thing like just do what it's designed to do.
I should probably take it off-roading. Oh, and I was way zoomed in on my face.
See you guys in the next video.